to my channel if this is your first time here. I'm Gianna. In this video, I'm installing a headband wig that I'm wearing on my head. Yes, you heard it correct. This is a headband wig. It is from Unice Hair. This is a 22-inch water wave wig, and it's a headband wig, so that means I can do it like this, but all of it's a headband, honey. And you can do whatever you want with this hair. As you saw in the thumbnail, you can wear it up, you can wear it down, you can do whatever with it. And on top of that, it's super fast, quick, simple to install. So if you want to see me install this hair and style it a couple of ways, you got to keep on watching. So this is what the wig looks like out of the box. I didn't co-wash it or anything. As you can see, this is the natural pattern. I have my hair braided and braids going straight back, and I'm going to slide on this wig cap that they included in the bag. And now I'm going to pop the wig onto my head. Right now I'm detaching the Velcro pieces. Those got stuck together. But I'm going to start by sliding the wig on, and I'm putting the comb in the back end first. And then I'm going to move the wig forward and attach the comb in the front, and then adjust the combs on the sides. Now, about this black band that you can see right here, typically I tuck that under the wig, but this time I left it out. But you really can tuck it under if you're not trying to see that black band, or you can flip it because that can get in the way. And now I'm just tying up my hair, and I'm going to attach the Velcro snaps for the headband wig in the back of my head. It's super simple. There's two adjustment pieces that you can snap the Velcro onto if you want it tighter or looser. I just like to make mine a little bit looser, only because when it gets super tight, it gives me a headache. And also when it's looser, you can see that there's this little flap right here, but the hair covers it, or if you slide a headband on over it, that'll cover it as well. Now I'm just going to style my edges with my edge booster edge control and my edge brush. Typically I'll actually do my edges before I put the wig on, because I found that makes it easier for styling. Like, you can do it before or after, but you know, I can see more of my edges while the wig is not on, clearly, because that makes more sense. But honestly, you can do it either way. And honestly, that is all it takes to install the headband wig. As you can see, it's super fast, quick, and simple. I didn't even speed through anything really. I just cut out a couple of the boring pieces, but honestly, it took me all of 5 minutes to put the wig cap on, put the wig on my head, and style my edges. You can see that this is the curl pattern. It's so pretty. Again, I didn't put any mousse or anything on this hair yet. I didn't co-wash it. This is the hair pattern right out of the box. So once it's on, you can elect to put on a headband at this point, or you can style the hair in any way that you want to. I'm just going to show you a couple of the ways that I like to style the hair. The first is, of course, starting with it down. This is the most easiest way to style the hair for me. You can flip it to the left or to the right. You can also have it going straight back. Unfortunately, there's like no parting because it's a headband wig, so there's like no lace or anything. But honestly, with the headband, you don't need it. Okay, so in the box, they do send you a couple of headbands with the wig, but I actually like to use a bandana to wrap around. The headbands, to me, they're like really florally, the ones they send you, and I don't necessarily like floral headbands. I like either solid print headbands or I like I said, to use these bandanas. So I'm just wrapping mine around and I'm just gonna, I don't know, style the bandana to a way that I like. Um, I don't know, for me, this just looks, it just fits my style, but again, to each his own. And now I'm going to put the hair half up, half down, just to show you what it looks like. The next hairstyle that I love to do with headband wigs is just a simple high ponytail. I like the high ponytails because the ponytails are typically long enough, depending on the length that you get, but they're typically long enough to cover like the strap in the back if you don't want to wear a headband. Because I don't always wear like a bandana or a headband with headband wigs, you can completely wear it without. So even if I wear it in a high ponytail, the back of the ponytail will cover the back and you won't see the strap or anything. And lastly, I'm just gonna pop this hair into a quick, simple bun. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. If I'm like at the gym or running to do something really quickly, I like it because there's no hair dangling and it's out of my face. It's just something really quick and out of the way. But like I said, this headband wig is super, super convenient. Like if you're in between styles or, just need something to do really quickly, it's really cute. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching and adios till next time.